Hello wood mice and dormice, and welcome back to our maths learning for this week. Today we are going to be learning about number 10. So you may have already seen it, or you might want to go and have a look at the number blocks episode of number 10. We're going to warm up our maths brains and we're going to start by doing some subitizing. So remember, that's saying the amount that we can see without counting the objects on the screen. So I'm going to flash up an image for you and you're going to say how many you can see, and hopefully now you're starting to recognize some patterns to help you to do that. So I'll do the first few with you and then I'll leave it up to you. Are you ready? Let's go. 5, 4, 6. Over to you. Well done. So when I was looking at these, I noticed that I had 5, because in my tens frame, I know that on the top row, I've got 5. For this one, I also noticed that I had a 3 and a 3. And I'm thinking back to our learning about 6 last week. 3 and 3 together make 6. Today, we are going to be looking at number 10. So we have got our numicon piece of 10. We've got a 5 and a 5, or a 2, a 2, a 2, a 2, and a 2. Also got our domino. What can you notice about the domino? That's it. Our domino has got 5 one side and 5 the other side. And all together, we have 10 spots on the whole of our domino. Looking at our tens frame today, what do you notice about our tens frame? That's right, today our tens frame is full. Because we're looking at number 10, we have filled up our tens frame with 10 of our counters. So let's just check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we've got 10 counters filling up our tens frame. 5 on the top and 5 more. So 10 is 5 and 5 more. Your challenge today is to use your tens frame to count out 10 objects. You may want to use the tens frame that we've given you, and you might want to print that one off or draw one, or you may like to create your own tens frame. Now here, just use some tape on the floor, but if you've got kitchen tiles or floor tiles in or outside, you could also use those. And I'd like you to find different objects around the house to fill up your tens frame. So I found some buttons here. So I'm going to put 10 buttons in my tens frame. So I'm going to start, remember, by filling up the top first. So 3, 4, 5. Got 5 on the top, and then I start to fill up this side from the left. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. My 5 and 5 more is 10. So you might have some small objects like buttons or piece of pasta or some counters that you want to use, or you could use some bigger objects if you've got a bigger tens frame. Maybe use the floor tiles, or you've created your own on the floor. You could also ask somebody in your house to hide 10 objects around the house for you to find, and once you've found them, you can lay them out on your tens frame. Now, using your tens frame, we would like to see you filling up your tens frame with different objects today. Once you've done that, you can get your grown-up to take a picture and they can comment on how you have got on.